Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared few variables here, and these variables you can declare by referring IBM official website. Once variable declaration is done, then you are good to use the command directly. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. After pressing F4, it will take you to this screen where we are supposed to pass two parameters. First is the value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to store that value. Okay, now if you want to know more about these values, like what all possible values are there, then you can press F1 here. Once you press F1, it will open a help screen for you, or you can say help window for you. So what is help window? Basically it will give the description of all the values that we can retrieve from the system. In short, you can say that this screen will provide the descriptive information for the all value that we can retrieve with the help of RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so from here you will get the information, and then you can directly use this command or with the value that you want to retrieve. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. Today we are going to discuss about another value. Let me take you to that particular value only. So I'm okay, so yeah, this is the value that we are going to discuss today, which is QRCLSPLSTG, which means automatic deletion of empty spool number is allowed based on the number of retention interval. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Possible outcomes are star none means no retention interval, star no max means all empty members are kept, 12366, this is the range, means the number of days that empty spool file members are kept for new spool file use. Second value we are going to discuss is QRETSVRSEC, which means retain server security data indicator. The operating system no longer uses this system value. Changes made to the system value have no effect. Another value we are going to discuss is QRMTISRVATR, which means remote service attribute. The QRMTISRVATR system value controls the remote service problem analysis ability. The value allows the system to be analyzed remotely. What are the possible outcomes? First is 0, means the remote service attribute is off. Second is 1, means the remote service attribute is on. Okay, now you got the information. You can simply copy this value and then you can use it. So we have prepared the first command. Likewise we are doing it for the other two values. So now once these line got executed, we will get the output in our desired or respective variables. Okay, now what we will do, we will print the values. So for printing the value, you can do page down, and here you can use command sndpgmsg, which is used for printing the value. So just simply write sndpgmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass the variable. Okay, so likewise we are printing other two values. Now let's compile it and see what output we are getting from here. So it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. First output is 8, all 8. Second output is 1. Third output is 0. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.